Hello. No pressure at all. Just my first YouTube video here. So I don't expect this video to be as great, but I'm doing this to prove something not just to myself, but to you and to my kids. They're still young. They won't understand this video, but hopefully when they're older, just do it. Just start something and break that fear. That's why a lot of people stay poor, because they're afraid. They're not willing to do something beyond their comfort zone. And I'm doing this in Noisy Park in New York City. What I plan to bring to this channel is talk about how to teach people how to use technology to improve their lives and their business. So you're gonna hear a lot of talk about technology, business, finance, that sort of thing. So this is one of many videos to go. I just wanted to break that fear. And how do you achieve wealth? You just do it. You break that fear. And guess what? It's not gonna be easy. You also have to be careful of what you consume. You are what you consume. This is beyond food. You can, you eat crappy food, you eat McDonald's. Sorry, people have stocks in McDonald's. You're not gonna do very well. Similarly, you just doom scroll, watch all these crappy videos. You're not gonna be very smart. To be educated, you don't just need college. It's also what you consume on a daily basis. And shout out to Steve Bartlett from Diary of the CEO. I am accepting your challenge, and I have a challenge for you, and also for those who are listening as well, who are men and are planning or one day think of being a dad. So yeah, Steve Bartlett, from Diary of the CEO, I accept your challenge to post once a day, every day. Just pick a channel. So I pick YouTube. And then for you, I know you mentioned you, and probably some young men here, you want to be a dad one day. It's possible. I'm a dad. I'm a father of 2. I'm only 32. And it's not easy. Just do it. Well, in this case, hopefully you pick the right one. Someone who is wifey material and mother material. Who you pick also determines your wealth. If you pick someone who supports you, who understands the grind, that you're not always going to be there, especially if you're going to start a business. Will they support that too? And now my challenge for you, Stephen Bartlett, if you ever listen to this. If not, cool. Then shout out to the young future fathers. It's not easy, but it's possible, and it's worth it. But work on you. Just think about it. That's like another copy of you. Would the world want another of you? If the answer is yes, go at it. If the answer is no, why would we want 2 of you? Then work on yourself. Carlos out.